Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today in this video we are going to see how to create a clustering, which is a part of unsupervised machine learning method in Power BI. First question we will be getting is it possible to create a cluster in Power BI? The answer is yes, we can able to do with the existing data and the chart which is available in Power BI. So for this, I have downloaded the data directly from kaggle.com. I have provided that link of that particular website in our description box. You can go ahead and visit the website where you can get n number of data sets which is live, and you can also participate in the website's competition where you can able to get good amount of prizes or the goodies based on your points which you are earning for that particular competition. So this data is all about the Netflix shows and their rating in the shows of that particular Netflix, right? How to create a clustering in that. So we have a chart called scatter plot, scatter chart. I'm just selecting that scatter chart over here, and I'm providing the values, which is my index number, and in my x-axis I'm going to give I need to see the scores. What is the scores I have received in IMDb, and I just want to know the votes which is received for that particular scores, right? After dragging this data, it will take some time for me to form a cluster, and you can see this data is scattered and it is giving me some number of inputs based on the votes and the values, but still this value is not clear for me. So I need to create a cluster. How do I do that? It is possible if you click on the more options button, there is an option called automatically find clusters. Just click on that. It will take you through another pop-up where you can, if you want, you can change the name of the clusters. I'm just naming it as cluster test, and description is cluster of index find. And now here is the very essential part, how many clusters you want to create. Suppose if I want to create 5 or 6 or 10, accordingly this will get distributed. As of now we have the values from votes from 1 to 10, so I am going to create the number of clusters based on the 10. Click on OK, then some amount of time it will take to create the clusters based on our requirement, and let's wait for it. It's getting loaded, and you can see our 10 clusters we have given, and it have taken us 9 clusters, and it is getting created as well. Each cluster have their own individual colors, and that we can able to see it in the legend, and in this legend is also get added. Is this cluster will work all the time? No, it will not work all the time. If any one of your value which is in the data set is in do not summarize form, if you give do not summarize for any of this form or any of the data, which is my x-axis or my you know I'm giving do not summarize for the IMDb words. If those things are in the not summarized form, it will not give you the result, and definitely it will cause you the error like do not summarize. If I select it from here and you can see the result, it is not possible when it is in do not summarize form. It should be in the summarized format whenever it is in x-axis or y-axis. That is the one major constraint we have it in creating clustering with scatterplot in Power BI. Apart from that, this give us how many requirement we need, how many number of clusters based on our requirement. Suppose if I'm changing it again back to sum, it will get clustered accordingly. Hope you have understood this concept clearly. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Thank you and have a great day ahead.